Okay, gang, welcome back. Well, a couple things here. First of all, we postponed the live trading event from this morning into tomorrow. The reason why we did that, as fate would have it, we did end up getting some trades in the trading room this morning anyways, but what we saw going into it this morning was a very tight day. You can see the DAX was closed safe, German holiday. We had super tight range on the NASDAQ. We had a super tight range on the Russell and the S&P for that matter as well. Only the Dow had a sort of real movement, in the overnight session. That wasn't much to speak of at that time. So, like, look, I wanted to go ahead and rather than sit there and try to talk about trading what we'd be looking for, I wanted to try to actually get trades. So, figure tomorrow morning with all the different news announcements coming out in the morning and then even into the afternoon, that tomorrow morning could be a lot more exciting. Plus, we'll have crude oil there to look at intraday. Well, as fate would turn out, we actually did go ahead and get some trades done in the room this morning, but because we did end up having some movement, but you didn't really know that in advance. So before I tell you what we're going to be looking for going into tomorrow morning's live trading event with you guys, let's take a look at two instruments you guys asked me about here. First things first, Netflix. So Netflix, if we get back above the 183 level, I'd look for a short-term aggressive long with an understanding that 190 is current major resistance. If I'm looking for a bigger play, though, I want to get above 190, make that support, then we can see 200 and beyond, but not at this time. As we take a look at CINA. CINA now, the real entry for something like this and these kind of plays, what we call a TC20 trade, trend continuation trade, looks there for the pullback to like the 20 or a resumption back when we get back above the speed lines for a continuation here. So the entries really for this kind of came and passed initially, which means for a secondary entry opportunity, really need to get through 119 now, make 119 a support level, then we could see 125 and 130, especially for something like SINA that has a history of some really nice movement over time here. This is a daily chart on the right, weekly chart on the left. So currently looking to see, since the initial opportunity is missed before this was presented to me, 119, make that support is the way to go. Now, there's going to be lots of different instruments we're going to be looking at on an intraday basis. We'll do that with you tomorrow. One that I'll definitely be focusing on, in addition to things like gold, crude oil, and stuff that's likely to move with the news announcements tomorrow, will be the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, the 6,000 level. Keep telling you guys about this level over and over and over again. It's been a huge focus point, both for long side trades bursting through it, short side trades failing it. It's been a host of trades opportunities in the last several weeks. Tomorrow is no different. You can see, in fact, I put out an alert about this earlier today. The 6,000 level continues to hang in there strong, and right now we are basically 8 ticks, 2 points away from that level as I'm sending this video to you this evening. So tomorrow you can bet that I'm going to be watching that level real close, and that very well could be a likely source of trades for us, either a push through or another failure to the downside. And I've been taking trades on both sides of those fence the last several weeks, so look forward to seeing if I can make it another big day, kind of like we did last week. Had the $7,000 plus gross profit day. See tomorrow morning if we can do some fun things with this again. So that's going to be a key focal point. Don't forget to go to www.becomeabettertrader.com/room to get yourself registered for tomorrow morning's event. We'll look forward to seeing you there, 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern. You do not want to miss that event. Like I said, if we were able to trade the way we did in today's tighter conditions, tomorrow should be fun if some of those news releases get us bebopping around. So look forward to having you there. BecomeABetterTrader.com/room. Have a great night, gang. We'll see you in the morning. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.